Amphenol TPC wire and cable really works with the oil and gas industry by providing custom engineered solutions for harsh environments. Some of the key applications we work on are customizing electrical solutions for the cokers, for the festoon systems, and turnaround assemblies with a molded eyelet with a lock and chain that acts as a theft deterrent. When it comes to upstream, we work really well in customized assemblies on top drives, but also where there's a lot of heavy flexing for power cables on catwalks and sensor cables as well. When it comes to downstream side, it really revolves around extreme temperatures, really where there's chemicals being exposed, such as bug ponds, aerators, steam, soot blowers, and those sort of applications.
At the core of Amphenol TPC's value is high performance in harsh environments. Cables engineered to survive heat, abrasion, chemicals, and the extreme conditions found throughout oil and gas operations. Beyond that durability comes the support that keeps projects moving.
What separates Amphenol TPC wire and cable from its competition is our deep inventory of our inline linear cables, our custom build shop, and our field territory managers. They're able to work with you on engineering custom assemblies and finding solutions for your harshest applications.